And welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to speed up or slow down a video in React Native's new architecture for Android using the Media3 transformer library. So firstly I'll show you guys an output. So I'll just quickly run this and it will start playing a video which is loaded from a network URL. Now there is one bug, like I can't really pause this video or play it, and as you can see I'm trying to click on this video, I'm not getting that seek bar as well. Like this is a React Native bug. I'm using the same code in Flutter and native Android as well, but I couldn't figure it out why it is not showing for React Native. Anyways, now this is a video which is playing from a network URL. I will click on this convert button and the first video has paused, like it has stopped playing, it has reached the end. And I will just show you some logs as well. So here you can see it tells us how much progress has happened. So I have speed up the original video twice. Now once the conversion happens, the video, this second video which is playing, is stored in external storage as well, so you can access it whenever you feel like. And so the entire logs are not printed, that's fine, but here you can see the first one which you see, 2 is the progress state and 91, 95, 99 is the actual progress. Now it doesn't reach till 100 because the video is short. I have also added 500 milliseconds delay, but here you can see the progress state goes back to 0. That's how you know that the video conversion has finished. Okay, now I will pick one video from my local storage. So I'll just click on pick video. I will select, so here you can see this is the first video which was saved inside our external storage, and the original video was playing from network URL. I'll select this 15 seconds long video. I'll just lower down the volume. Okay, I think I need to refresh my app. Okay, there is one bug, like if I'm not sure how to resolve it. The bug is that if the first video plays and it goes till the end, the second video also goes till the very end. So here is the video which I have picked from my local device. I'll just click on the convert button, and here you can see this is the same progress state which was displayed earlier. So that's what this is. So we are changing both the video as well as the audio twice. So here you can see it has changed the video and audio. You can slow it down as well. So if I go to my I'll show the entire code later on, but here you can see I am doing 2.0f, but if you want to slow it down, make it below 1.0, you will have to change it over here as well as over here. So this is for video, this is for audio. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I am using React Native's new architecture. So for that you will have to open this docs. So this is for Fabric native components as well as this is for turbo modules. We'll need to create both. So Fabric components is for displaying the entire UI of video player and everything, and turbo modules because we want to check whether we are above Android R or not, because if you are using Android R and above, we don't require the read write external storage permission for saving the video to external storage. So let's get started. So firstly open this turbo native docs. First what we have to do is, inside I have created a React Native project and I'm using the React Native community template because the React Native CLI is deprecated. So first search for new arc enabled inside your React Native project. It should be present inside gradle.properties. Make this as true. Then we will create a folder called RTN my permission inside our project. I'll just close this. So inside so this is a turbo module. So firstly create package.json. Now this I have copy pasted it from documentation. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file, and I have just created a method whether we are above Android Q or not, and this particular name has been changed. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have created a build.gradle file. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs, and only this version has been changed. This Kotlin standard lib version has been changed, and I'm compiling it to HDK 34, but I think by the time you watch it HDK 35 might be also be available, so just change it accordingly. Also this namespace has been changed. Then I have created this all folders: src, main, java, com, rt, and my permission. So first create my permission package.kt. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only the package name has been changed, this name has been changed, and everywhere I am using my permission module, as you can see over here. Then we have to create this my permission module.kt. Again this has been copied from docs, only this package name has been changed. I have added few imports, and here we are just overriding this method. And if you are above Android R or on Android R or above, then we just use this particular code, and this is the name of our folder. Okay, so that's it for turbo module. Next we have to create a fabric component. So for that we will use this particular documentation. So firstly create rt and my player. Inside that create a package.json file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again I have copy pasted it from docs. Only I have added this URL as a prop, and this name has been changed. Then I have created an Android folder. Inside that I have created a build.gradle file. Again copied it from docs. Only this version has been changed. Here I have added apply plugin kotlin Android. Compile HDK is 34, min HDK is 24, and this namespace has been changed. And here I have added kotlin standard lib 1.9.24, and here we have added the Media3 exo player dependency. I have also added the lifecycle runtime dependency because we want to make use of kotlin coroutines. Then I have went to src. I have created all these folders. Firstly create my player package.kt. Again I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only this package name has been changed, this name has been changed, this name has been changed. And here I have marked it as unstable API because we want because the Media3 dependency code which we are using is still bit unstable. So that code is in myplayer.kt, but myplayer.kt is used in myplayer manager, and myplayer manager is used in myplayer package. So next create myplayer manager.kt. Again this has been copied from docs. Only this name has been changed, and here this names has been changed. Here this name has also been changed. And here once we get the URL, we just release our player and call the init input player method. Okay, then these two methods are defined inside myplayer.kt, which I will show you shortly. So this is the myplayer.kt. So I will just scroll up. So these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports which I have. We are extending it from transformer.listener, lifecycle event listener, as well as lifecycle owner, because we transformer.listener we will get us two method on completed and on error, and lifecycle event listener because we want to listen for on pause, on destroy those. Lifecycle owner because we want to make use of kotlin coroutines. So I have just copy pasted this boilerplate code. Then this handler and progress holder are for tracking this progress. Then these are two of our exo players. This is our player views, this is our button, and this is our progress bar. This is for file name. Playback position is 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer, and this is file. This is for local video URL, and here I have created that effect. So speed change effect. Now change this value to whatever you feel like, but make sure whatever you change this value to, you also have to change this value. Now this is for audio effect, so both has to be synchronous. So here is for audio effect, sonic audio processor. For video it is speed change effect. So that effect has been added over here. Then this layout params is for our linear layout. So here we are initializing our input player. Okay, then here we have created one button, and on click of it we are setting up the transformer. This is for the output player view. Now okay, so it is same as input player, it is invisible at the start, and here we have defined our progress bar. Now I told you, right, for our player I am not able to see the play, pause, the seek bar, all that stuff. I was able to solve it, so for this I have used two of this method, but unfortunately it's not a right solution, and it causes other issues. So if you want to try it out, just call setup layout hack over here somewhere. Yeah, so what it does is that it makes our first video player to occupy entire width and height. That's fine, we see the play pause button, but the other issue is that the convert button also occupies entire width and height, and it overlaps on our first player. So that causes issue. So once the second player is visible, it will overlap on the convert button. That's the issue. Anyways, so here we initialize our input player, and yeah, this is how we initialize our input player. Then this is how we initialize our output player. This is for releasing our player. Here we do setup transformer. Then inside transform video we just initialize our transformer, display the progress bar. Here we pass our effect for audio as well as video. Then we create an external file and start the transformation. Here we track the progress state as well as the actual progress, and here is the 500 milliseconds delay. This is how we create an external file. Again, I have copy pasted it from Stack Overflow, and this is the code for saving file to external storage. So again, I have just copy pasted it from Stack Overflow. Pause the video if you feel like. Then here we are overriding the on completed. So once it is done, we are displaying our output player, initializing the output player, saving file to external storage, hiding our progress bar, and on error we hide our progress bar as well as output player and display a toast message. And here we are overriding these methods. So on host pause and on host destroy we release our player. Okay, now we have to run some code generation command. So for that, first you will have to open your terminal. Open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project. Firstly you will have to run this particular command, then you will have to run this particular command, then you will have to do cd ... Once you do that, then you will have to run this particular command, but here you will have to change this rnapp android speed with your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp android speed. So over here as well as over here, same you will again have to run this particular command, but change your project name over here as well as over here. Once that is done, you will have to cd to the android folder and then run this particular command. So this will do code generation for android. One more thing which I want to tell you is go to android manifest.xml, this one, this app src main android manifest. So here we already have internet permission, but if the user is using some old device, we require the read write external storage permission as well. So I will add that as well, read external storage permission and write external storage permission. Okay, sorry. Like I do it in Android Studio because it gives proper IntelliSense. Okay, so here it is telling me, okay, there is this. So I have set the max HDK version to 32. Okay, I think it is okay. So here right, no longer, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so write something like this. Here you can see it has automatically added the code. Now how to use it, all you have to do inside app.tsx. okay, there is one more thing. You also need to install this particular library called React Native Image Picker. It will help us to pick video from our local storage. So I have already installed that. Then these are all the imports which I have. Here is the cat video URL. For that, change it to whatever you feel like. Make sure you use HTTPS, otherwise you will get another error related to clear text traffic. Otherwise you will have to add that clear text traffic inside Android manifest if you are using HTTP. And here, once this pick video method is called, we just use this launch image pick or media type video. Once we have the video URI, I just assign it to this variable. So here you can see we just call this. I'm just checking whether we are above Android queue. If yes, then directly call pick video. If not, then access read write external storage permission. Again, the read write external storage permission is only for saving the video, not for picking video. And this is for pick video. And once we have the video URI, I just display our RTN my player native component. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.